Chapter 7. The Reality. The Hindu says, quote, "If God wished to hide, God would choose man to hide in." End quote. That is the last place man would look for God. The trouble with the masses of humanity today is that they are trying to become something that is already right within. We are seeking and searching everywhere outside of ourselves for God, attending countless lectures, meetings, groups, reading innumerable books, looking to teachers and personalities and leaders. But all the time, God is right within. If mankind will let go of the trying and accept that they are, they will soon be perfectly aware of the reality. Jesus told us so many times that there is no one any different from another, that each is a God being with all the potential attributes and qualifications. We have set Jesus aside for so long, thinking that he was in a different category than ourselves. He is no different. He never claimed to be. He goes about assisting mankind all of the time. He is no mythical character any more than we are mythical characters, and in no way did he ever claim to be able to perform a miracle. They were not miracles. They were merely the fulfillment of natural law that has been proved today. They were natural occurrences that must and will transpire for anyone if we fulfill the law. Each one of us is capable of mastering every one of the so-called difficulties we are working under, and the moment we let go of them, they cease to exist. That may seem incredible to many, but it is an absolute fact. We bring these things upon ourselves by our own transverse thoughts. Supposing those thoughts, those words, never belonged to us, that we had never heard of them, that they had no existence in our vocabulary or our world. We know of 4 different languages today where there is not a negative word in the language. There is not a word in the past tense or a word in the future tense. All is here and now, accomplished. If we could realize and accept that, we would soon rise out of our negative conditions. It is a name that we give a thing, and the feeling with which we release it. Negative words, feelings, conditions have absolutely no power except what we individually give to them. The moment we cease feeding our energy into them, they no longer have life, and thus they cease to exist. We have proved conclusively today that because of the word God registered in the Bible, that book has been maintained as it has. It has the greatest sale of any book in the world today. Now, if that word will maintain a book, an inanimate thing, what will it do through our use of it, through our own body form? It is not necessary to go around repeating the word God, God. Just send that word forth once with definite, sincere meaning and qualified with what that expression is intended to bring about, and you will never have to repeat it.